Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the Lewis structure of NOF. It's a chemical formula of nitrosyl fluoride. And to determine its Lewis structure, let us count the total number of valence electrons. We have one nitrogen atom having 5 valence electrons, one oxygen atom having 6 valence electrons, and one fluorine atom having 7 valence electrons. Now that gives us a total of 18. Let us see the arrangement of atoms. For that, we will place nitrogen atom in the center as it is the least electronegative element among the three, and then arrange oxygen and fluorine atom around it. Then we will place pair of electrons in between each atom for bond formation. Now doing that, we have used 4 of our valence electrons out of 18 and we are still left with 14 more. And oxygen and fluorine atom need 6 more electrons. Nitrogen here needs 4 more electrons for complete outer shell. So we are going to place 6 valence electrons around oxygen atom and 6 valence electrons around fluorine atom. And the remaining 2 will be placed on nitrogen atom. But here nitrogen still needs 2 more electrons for complete outer shell, and we have already used all our valence electrons that we had. So to avoid that, we will move electron pairs from oxygen to in between nitrogen and oxygen. That will result in the formation of double bond. So every atom in this structure have zero formal charge and complete outer shell. So this is the final Lewis structure of NOF. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.